Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix graphic card issues in your computer. So first you need to power off your computer and you need to clean the graphic card. If it has dust or something, you need to clean that. Then after you need to turn on your computer, right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on your display adapters, right click on your graphic driver, tap on update driver and tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is not working, again right click on that one, update driver, tap on browse my computer for drivers, choose this one and choose your graphic card and tap on next. If it is not working, right click on it, tap on uninstall driver, tick this one, tap on uninstall. Then it will be uninstall your driver and you need to restart your computer. Then after go to your browser, in the address bar type GPU reset, hit enter, go to this option GPU reset graphic card GPU information utility, go to the download section, tap the touch power up GPU reset and tap on download. It is around 10.9 megabytes. So you have to choose the version. It's okay, now it is downloading. Okay, once you download it, you need to double tap on it, then it will ask this kind of menu. So you can use not now, right in this moment. Now it is opening. Okay, it is like this software, so you can find all the information related to your graphic card. In my case I have Intel graphic card, so you need to go to sensor section. You can see current load and current temperature. Make sure your graphic card is under 84 Celsius under the load. If it is goes more than 85 Celsius, that means your graphic card has some kind of issue. Okay, so close this one. And if your computer has overclocked, you have to disable the overclock because overclock cause crashes and artifacts. So then after you have to go to tap on start menu, go to setting, go to display, scroll down and go to graphics. Okay, so in your case you will be able to find your games kind of thing in here. So choose one game, go to options, so you can choose which graphic card you are using for your games. So if you experiencing lagging kind of things in your games, make sure to check the currently what graphic card it is using. So if you need to directly use the separated graphic card for your gaming, you can just tap on high performance graphic card and tap on save. In my case it can't earlier because I only have Intel graphic card, so you can choose high performance graphic card and tap on save. So other than that, you can check your power supply unit if it is sufficient power for your graphic card. And finally you can go to start menu and go to setting and go to Windows Update and make sure you are in latest version. If you post your updates, just resume those updates, then it will be fine because graphic drivers will also be updated. So these are the methods you can try to fix your graphic card related issues, and make sure to update your BIOS also. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.